Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your Outlook calendar in QuickBooks Online to sync appointments. It's going to be very easy and simple tutorial. So first, you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the dashboard, you can go to left side of your screen and click all apps to open all your apps, and then go to Customer Hub app and click appointments. After that, you will be in this appointments page. As you can see, I don't have any appointments here. Now you can click the settings drop down here to open the option and click manage calendar connection. After that, as you can see, you have two choice. Obviously for this video, we're gonna connect our Outlook calendar and then just click connect here. And then this is the step, you can sign into your Outlook account and give consent to share your data. And then you can review your data sync settings and you can just sit back and relax. So basically you can just click continue here. And then you can just sign into your Microsoft account and then you can set up the consent, give the consent, and then you can set up the settings. After that, it will be connected. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.